In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira with Scrum. We're going to walk through the process of setting up a Scrum space in Jira so you can start organizing your team's work in a structured, agile way. If you're new to Jira, don't worry. This setup is straightforward, and once it's done, you'll have a solid starting point for planning sprints, tracking tasks, and managing your backlog. To begin, go to the Spaces area and click the plus icon. This is where you create a new space or project area, and it's the starting point for building out your Scrum workflow in Jira. From the available options, click on Software Development. This tells Jira that you want to create a workspace designed specifically for development processes with tools and templates that support agile project management. Next, choose Scrum. Jira offers different project styles, and Scrum is the one you'll want if your team works in sprints and needs features like backlog management and sprint planning. Once Scrum is selected, click Use Template. This saves time because Jira will pre-configure the space with the layout and tools commonly used in a Scrum environment instead of making you build everything from scratch. Now, enter a name for your space. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, since this will help you and your team quickly identify the project later on. After that, you'll be asked how your space is managed. This setting controls how flexible the space will be and who manages its configuration. For this setup, select Team Managed. This option is often a good choice when you want the team to have more direct control over their own workflow, without depending on a central administrator for every small change. Then click Next. Jira will guide you through the remaining setup screens. Click Next again to continue moving through the configuration process. At one point, you'll see the option, I'll do this later. Go ahead and click that. This is useful if Jira is offering an optional setup task that you don't need to complete right away. It lets you keep moving and finish creating the Scrum space first. After that, click Done. At this stage, Jira will begin applying the template and creating your Scrum space. Give it a moment to load completely. Depending on your connection and workspace size, this may take a few seconds. Once everything has loaded, you can describe your Scrum setup. This is where you can start shaping the space around your team's process and goals. From here, you're ready to begin using Jira with Scrum and continue customizing the project to fit the way your team works.